वकील साहब, आप जितना स्मार्ट हैं उससे थोड़ा थोड़ा हमें भी कानून आता है। आपसे जब कहा गया कि आप जो है बताइए आपके क्या है, आपने बोला फर्स्ट अपील से डिसाइड होगा, तो फर्स्ट अपील डिसाइड करना, ये पिटीशन थोड़ा डिसमिस कर रहे हैं। आप भी अपील फाइल करिएगा जैसे बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं, आपको भी वो
My lord, there's an issue here because we were not the given notice, we were not the party.
मुस्लिम सक्सेशन में
No, my lord, that issue is not here. The issue of Muslim,
that issue will ultimately come.
my lord, that issue is being handled by the coordinate bench of the High Court.
Sajida Sultan had one son, Mansoor Ali Khan.
Indeed. May it please your lordship, this is WP is challenging the actions of respondent number 2, which is the custodian of any property, which is taking the proceeding to take over the properties of late Nawab of Bhopal. The petitioners are the.
पिछली बार वो फैमिली ट्री प्रस्तुत कर.
My lord, we have filed already.
कब किया है आपने वो?
My lord, this was filed on 19th, my lord.
हाँ बताइएगा कैसे आए आप इसके.
Indeed. My lord, if my lord may see the family tree,
जी.
The bottom left column with the asterisks, two asterisks in the bottom left corner are the petitioners, Mr. Amir bin Jung and Mr. Saad bin Jung.
एक सेकंड. Who was the last ruler?
The last ruler was Nawab
Sajida Sultan.
Nawab Sajida Sultan.
Sajida Sultan के.
The eldest daughter of Nawab Begum Sajida Sultan was Miss Saliha Sultan,
जी.
who was the mother of the petitioner.
आप भी अपील फाइल करिएगा जैसे बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं, आपको भी वो.
My lord, there's an issue here because we were not the given notice, we were not the party.
Still you can file an appeal now.
No, my lord, we cannot file the appeal because if we see the order passed by my lord in P8.
Yes.
My lord had directed the parties to go for the appeal.
Because parties were present.
No. We were not made the parties, my lord. That.
Sorry.
My lord, there's another issue.
Locus भी देखना पड़ेगा इसमें. आपका locus बताइएगा.
My lord, our locus.
क्या Muslim succession में.
No, my lord, that issue is not here. The issue of Muslim.
That issue will ultimately come.
My lord, that issue is being handled by the coordinate bench of the High Court.
Sajida Sultan had one son, Mansoor Ali Khan.
Indeed.
Now, his wards are already represented.
Indeed.
Okay. Now you and this thing. There are three daughters: Pudisa Sultan, Sabiha Sultan, and Saleha Sultan.
Indeed.
Now, right now, what are the rights and duties of the offsprings of the daughters of the last ruler of Bhopal? That is to be clarified.
My lord, that matter is right now being pended and has been heard and reserved by the coordinate bench. That is the FA 296 of 2000. This is
to list this case after decision in FA 290.
My lord, but the problem right now is, my lord, yes, my lord, the authorities have already taken taking the actions to take over our property.
आपको liberty दे रहे हैं या आप authority को approach करिए, आपकी समझ में नहीं आ.
My lord, we cannot. My lord, there's a problem. My lord, let me just make one submission, my lord.
This case after decision in FA.
My lord, let me just.
296 क्या है?
FA 296 of 2000.
2000, as much as petitioners counsel when offered to raise all objections.
My lord, we cannot. My lord, just 1 second, my lord.
Cannot raise any objection before the appellate authority.
My lord, we cannot appear before the appellate authority.
Full stop. The fact of the matter is that petitioners herein and the petitioners in relation to whom WP 4980/2015 was filed are related to each other. If any order is passed by the authorities, then it will be inter alia adjudicatable between inter alia applicable to all the legal heirs of Sajida Sultan, and then they can claim their rights accordingly in accordance with the law. Full stop. Therefore, for the present, no indulgence is called for.
My lord,
this case after decision.
My lord, may I just make one submission, my lord? This is an important submission. Why we cannot appear before the authority? The appellate authority under the Enemy Property Act is an appellate authority, my lord. They can only rely on what is in record in front of them. We were never in front of them. We were not on record there, my lord. If my lord.
वकील साहब, आप जितना स्मार्ट हैं उससे थोड़ा थोड़ा हमें भी कानून आता है. आपसे जब कहा गया कि आप जो है बताइए आपके क्या है, आपने बोला फर्स्ट अपील से डिसाइड होगा, तो फर्स्ट अपील डिसाइड होना, ये पिटीशन थोड़ा डिसमिस कर रहे हैं।
My lord,
सॉरी, विल नॉट हियर यू अनलेस फर्स्ट अपील इज डिसाइडेड।
my lord, my lord,
नाउ यू आर वेस्टिंग
we,
टाइम, नेक्स्ट केस।
my lord, we may be given some protection, my lord, that till the first appeal is decided,
No protection is required in as much as no substantive right is shown by Shri Suraj
my lord, we have a right.
Bajpai on asking of this court. When this next para, when this court had categorically asked about the rights of the daughters of the last ruler of Bhopal and the persons claiming through those daughters, Shri Suraj Bajpai.
My lord, I can explain it
submitted
here,
that
my lord. I am also,
They all are subject to the outcome of FA 296/2000. Therefore, when counsel is so reluctant to explain, then all the rights are to be subject matter of FA 296. Then the case will be heard and decided only after FA 296/2000 is decided. Next case,
my
chaliye.
lord, may I just make a submission, my lord?
Sorry, no.
While hearing the FA 296,
No more suggestions. Chaliye.
my submission, my lord, my submission may also be noted, my lord. My humble submission is that the only issue right now before the coordinate bench of the High Court is regarding the appeal of a partition suit. That partition suit was filed by the heirs of late Nawab of Bhopal, which is Saliha Sultan and Kadisat Sultan. My lord, we the party there, that issue with regard to the succession is pending. But here the issue is not that. My lord, here is the issue where the custodian has violated every rule of the book by not giving us a proper hearing, by not even giving us a notice, by only issuing notice to one of the heirs, my lord, not all of the heirs.
ठीक है.
My lord, our property right now is being taken over by the custodian in a totally illegal manner, my lord.
ये देखेंगे उसको. चलिए next case.
My only submission is that at least the certificate, the challenge certificate by which the custodian is moving, that may be stayed till the first appeal is decided. my lord.
The prayer for any stay on the activities of the custodian is denied. Prayer is rejected as no prima facie case is made out to grant such prayer. Next case.
May I please,
जी बताइए.
on the last date of hearing, records of were requisitioned to verify whether the demarcation was conducted behind the back of the petitioner or not.
रिकॉर्ड आ गया, देखिए खोल के दिखाइए ना उसको. पंचनामा में साइन है कि नहीं.